This is why you need a simple checklist for chickens. It saves time, it saves money, it reduces stress. Let's run it down. Start with clean housing, well-ventilated housing, dry bedding, nesting boxes, space, at least 2 to 4 square feet per bird inside. Provide a secure, outdoor run. Feed a balanced layered diet. Always provide clean water. Limit visitors. Isolate new birds. Sanitize tools and equipment. Inspect feet weekly. Inspect feathers weekly. Inspect droppings weekly. Install predator-proof fencing. Use secure coop locks. You'll get healthier birds, fewer vet bills, delicious eggs, quick win, clean water, good feed, happier hens tomorrow.